Have you ever considered adding indoor plants to your living space? Not only do they brighten up your home with natural beauty and vibrant colors, but many of them come with incredible health benefits too. These plants don't just sit pretty. They actively help in improving air quality by filtering out toxins and increasing oxygen levels. Research has also shown that indoor greenery can significantly reduce psychological stress, enhance mood, and contribute to an overall healthier environment. However, with so many different types of plants out there, each with its own needs and benefits, it can get a bit overwhelming to choose the right ones for your space. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll walk you through 12 of the healthiest and most beneficial indoor plants that can promote a healthier lifestyle while beautifying your home. 1. Aloe Vera. The aloe vera plant is not only known for its soothing gel used in skincare, but it's also a great natural air purifier. This healing plant makes a lovely addition to your kitchen windowsill or any bright corner in your home. It loves sunlight and thrives in well-lit spots. What's more, aloe vera helps cleanse the air of formaldehyde and benzene, harmful chemicals commonly found in household cleaners, floor finishes, and varnishes. The best part? It doesn't need much watering, making it ideal for first-time plant parents. With its minimal care requirements and multiple health benefits, aloe vera is both beautiful and functional. Just remember to place it out of high-traffic areas to avoid its spiky leaves causing discomfort. 2. Snake plant. The snake plant, also known as sansevieria or mother-in-law's tongue, is a sleek, modern-looking plant that enhances the look of any room while doing wonders for your indoor air quality. One of its most unique features is its ability to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen at night, unlike most plants that do this only during the day. This makes it a perfect addition to bedrooms, where cleaner air at night can contribute to better sleep. Snake plants also remove airborne pollutants like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene, reducing the risk of allergic reactions and improving respiratory health. According to the American Society for Horticulture Science, snake plants are proven to lower indoor ozone levels and absorb airborne contaminants in enclosed spaces. Plus, they're incredibly low maintenance, great for those who may not have a green thumb. 3. Bamboo plant, butterfly palm. The bamboo palm, often referred to as the butterfly palm, is a fantastic air-purifying plant that also works as a natural humidifier. This plant is known for filtering toxins such as benzene and formaldehyde, helping to make indoor air fresher and safer for breathing. Its hardy nature makes it ideal for beginners. It thrives in moist soil and should be placed in areas with good air circulation. Bamboo palms prefer bright, indirect sunlight and can even add a tropical vibe to your space. As a bonus, it's non-toxic to pets, making it a great option for households with cats or dogs. Regular pruning may be required due to its fast growth, but aside from that, it's a low-fuss plant with high benefits, especially in dry seasons when indoor air tends to lose moisture. 4. Pothos. Pothos, sometimes called devil's ivy, is one of the easiest and most popular indoor plants you can own. It's incredibly low maintenance and doesn't need direct sunlight or even soil to thrive. You can grow it in water, and it will still flourish. These plants are excellent at filtering the air of formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, benzene, and xylene, which are commonly emitted from everyday household items. Pothos also helps increase humidity, which is crucial in preventing dry skin, sinus issues, and certain viral infections like the flu. Because of their resilience and air-purifying qualities, they're a favorite for office desks, bathrooms, and bedrooms alike. 5. Rubber tree. The rubber tree, or Ficus elastica, features rich, shiny leaves with a leathery texture that instantly enhances your interior decor. But this striking plant is more than just good looks. It's an affordable, non-allergenic plant with excellent air-purifying capabilities. It works by removing harmful microorganisms like fungal spores and bacteria from the air. Even more impressively, the rubber plant can convert dangerous airborne toxins into less harmful substances, creating a cleaner and healthier indoor atmosphere. It enjoys indirect sunlight and doesn't need frequent watering, which makes it a practical option for busy households. Its adaptability to low-light conditions makes it an easy fit for most rooms, and its low-maintenance nature is perfect for anyone new to plant care. Sixth, Zed plant, Zamioculcas zamiifolia. Commonly known as the ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamiifolia is a popular indoor plant that thrives on neglect, making it perfect for people with a busy lifestyle or those new to plant care. It doesn't require much water and can survive in low light, which means you don't have to constantly worry about keeping it alive. But the ZZ plant offers more than just ease of care. It contains powerful antioxidants such as terpenoids and polyphenols, which give it medicinal value. In traditional uses, its extracts are said to help soothe earaches. While it's not a replacement for medical treatment, it's fascinating to see how nature adds hidden benefits. Research published in the Journal of Hort Technology highlights that ZZ plants are extremely resistant to pests, diseases, and insects, making them a very reliable choice for indoor environments. With its glossy green leaves and strong build, it's both functional and decorative, a low-maintenance plant that truly pulls double duty. 7. Dracaena Gold Star. The Dracaena Gold Star, often simply referred to as Dracaena, is a hardy plant that can tolerate tough indoor conditions, including dry climates and inconsistent watering. It's well known for being resilient and requires only minimal maintenance, making it a great fit for anyone looking to add greenery to their home without the fuss. Medically, this plant is valuable because it helps improve air quality by removing harmful substances like benzene, trichloroethylene, carbon dioxide, and formaldehyde, all of which can lead to headaches, respiratory issues, fatigue, and even kidney problems. In this way, the Dracaena doesn't just decorate your space, it actively works to reduce airborne toxins and support your well-being. However, there is one thing to keep in mind. Dracaena is toxic to cats and dogs if ingested. So, if you have curious pets at home, you may want to consider other non-toxic options, or place it somewhere safely out of reach. 8. Monstera deliciosa. Loved by interior designers and plant enthusiasts alike, Monstera deliciosa, also known as the Swiss cheese plant, is a stunning indoor plant known for its large, dramatic leaves and fast growth. But it's not just about looks. Monstera acts as both a natural humidifier and air purifier. Its wide leaves trap dust, allergens, and airborne particles, helping to cleanse the air while also increasing the moisture content, which is essential for preventing dry skin, respiratory discomfort, and sinus issues. To keep it thriving, place it in a well-lit area without direct sunlight and ensure it has space to grow. It loves humidity, so light misting can also help. A weekly watering, or whenever the soil feels dry, will keep it happy. With its bold presence and powerful health benefits, Monstera is more than a decorative plant. It's a natural air-enhancing machine. 9. String of pearls. The string of pearls plant is often praised for its elegant, bead-like trailing vines, making it a favorite for hanging baskets and windowsills. Visually striking, it adds charm and beauty to any room. But its benefits go beyond decor. This plant can actually reduce stress and improve your mood, simply by enhancing the ambiance of a room. Like many other indoor plants, its presence has been linked to better mental clarity and emotional balance. That calming, fresh energy it brings can help you feel more at ease at home. However, it's important to know that the string of pearls is toxic when ingested, especially for children and pets. If you plan to keep one, be sure to hang it well out of reach so you can enjoy its beauty without worry. 10. Spider plant. True to its name, the spider plant has long, thin leaves that spread out like a spider's legs, creating a unique and attractive look. It's been one of the most loved and widely kept indoor plants for generations, and for good reason. Spider plants are powerful air purifiers, removing harmful indoor toxins like carbon monoxide, xylene, and formaldehyde. This leads to cleaner air and can help reduce symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and stress. Breathing cleaner air also contributes to better sleep and overall wellness. An added bonus? Spider plants are non-toxic and even edible. They contain nutrients and have a mild, slightly bitter taste, though they're more commonly kept for their air-purifying qualities than for snacking. Easy to care for and safe for all ages, this plant is a top pick for healthy homes. 11th, jade plant, Crassula ovata. The jade plant, often called the good luck plant, is surrounded by the superstition that it brings wealth and prosperity, possibly due to its small, coin-shaped leaves. While we can't guarantee it'll make you rich, it certainly makes a great addition to your home. It's a succulent, meaning it retains water and is incredibly easy to care for. More importantly, jade plants help purify the air by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, even at night. This makes them excellent for bedrooms, as they can improve air quality while you sleep. With proper care, a jade plant can live for decades, up to 70 years or more. That kind of longevity makes it a great plant to grow with your family, or even pass down over generations. 12th, Ficus audrey. Last but not least, the Ficus audrey is one of the most popular indoor plants among professional decorators and plant stylists. Known for its elegant, glossy green leaves, it brings a clean and sophisticated aesthetic to any room. But it's not all about looks. Ficus audrey also boasts impressive health benefits. It works as an efficient air purifier, filtering out indoor toxins and improving humidity levels. Its presence supports better breathing, reduces dryness, and contributes to a calmer atmosphere, making it a wellness-friendly choice for any space. With its combination of beauty and function, the Ficus audrey is perfect for anyone wanting to make their home not only look better, but feel better too. This beautiful indoor plant does more than just sit pretty. It plays a key role in maintaining your home's air quality. It helps control humidity, traps dust particles, and works effectively as a natural air purifier. Thanks to its ability to create a cleaner environment, it can help prevent common seasonal illnesses like the flu, sore throat, colds, and coughs. When it comes to care and maintenance, it's pleasantly simple. All it really needs is a spot with indirect sunlight and watering about 2 to 3 times a week. That's it. With just a little attention, it rewards you with cleaner air and a healthier space. Indoor plants offer more than just visual appeal. They improve air quality and deliver a surprising number of health benefits. And those benefits go beyond just the physical. These plants also help create a more peaceful, calming atmosphere that supports your mental and emotional well-being. A clean, green environment naturally lifts your mood and brings a sense of relaxation and balance. No doubt about it, adding indoor plants to your home or workplace is truly one of the best self-care gifts you can give yourself. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And most importantly, subscribe to support this channel. Your support means everything. Stay healthy and take care of your space. It takes care of you.